Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can add multiple pages on your Carrd website. So if you didn't know, the purpose of Carrd is basically to build one-page websites for pretty much anything. However, in this video I'm going to show you how we can add multiple pages so that we can turn it from a one-page site into more of a normal website with tons of different pages that we can go and visit. So to start with, I'm just going to select this green button, choose a starting point. And then for the sake of this video, I'm just going to select a blank canvas. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to add two buttons, which will take us to page 1 and page 2. So the way in which I'll do that is click on elements and add two buttons. And button 1, I will just call page 1. And then button 2, I'm just going to call page 2. So you might be thinking, well, you've created buttons, but you haven't actually created multiple pages yet. So the way in which to do that is go up to add an element again, which is this one. And this time we want to go to bottom right corner where we can find control. Now, because we've got two pages, I'm going to do two controls. So I'm going to add another one. As you can see here, the section behaves like a separate page. So under this section 1 tab, we might want to add something from here. Let's just say we want to add a table. And then on the bottom page, let's just say we wanted to add a list. So we can keep that there. And then the way to actually turn these buttons into clickable pages is to come over here to the name where it says hashtag. And for this one, I'm just going to call it page 1. And then same with number 2. However, I'm going to call this one page 2. And then click done. So what we want to do is now head into our buttons. So we can click on page 1. So if we click on this button here, it will show us which URLs are allowed. And as we can see, hashtags are allowed. So under this one, page 1 button, I will do hashtag page 1, as that's what I just named it here. However, if you name something different here, you will have to do that. And then click done. And then click on page 2, and we simply change that to page 2 and click done. So now that we've done that, if we publish this site, these buttons will then be clickable and it will take us to these pages here. So if I've published this site here, the welcome page will be this top section here where it says pages, and it will show you these two buttons. And then if you go ahead and click page 1, it will take you to a new looking page which will show you this table. And then if I click page 2, it will come down here and show you this list. Obviously you want to customize these pages and buttons to whatever your website is. So you can just mess around with all those things and get this website looking exactly how you want it to. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say that it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.